Hey guys, so today we're going to check out a renovation that we're working on in Port Deposit, Maryland.
So there was a kitchen addition put on the back of the house decades ago. As you can see here, they raised the back side of the house from an attic space to a bedroom area. So I wanted to show you how unlevel the addition became over time by just putting a ball on the floor and showing how much it would roll on its own. So this is the picture of the upstairs. The first was a picture of the kitchen. So the addition was not done up to code, and the lumber used for the support was undersized and spaced too far apart. So this, combined with the poorly built support wall in the back, caused the addition to sink down about 3 inches. So to fix that, we decided to get rid of a huge portion of the weight by removing the upstairs bedroom addition, but leaving the kitchen addition. After the upstairs was removed, the house was lighter and the crew was able to jack up the remaining parts of the addition to get it perfectly level. Then they built a new support wall based on the structural engineer's instructions. This also gives a more natural exterior look to the house. This took about 2 months process that included a structural engineer, an architect, and the county to issue permits. So guys, if you like this video, click the like button. And if you want to see more videos from TCJ Investment Properties, click the subscribe button to see updates on this property and other properties we are working on. And again, thanks for watching.